Actividad 2. Historias de una aventura. An adventure story. My trip to Oaxaca. A couple of years ago, I traveled to Oaxaca, downtown and to the beach. I remember that the weather on the way was rainy and there was fog. The arrival. When I arrived in Oaxaca City, I looked for a place to eat. A soccer game was broadcast while I dined and had a cold beer. I really enjoyed the food. After arriving in the city, I went to rest at a hotel named Misión de Los Ángeles. It had the best Oaxacan food I had ever tasted. After breakfast, I started the trip to the beach in Puerto Escondido. The second hotel, named Hotel Caracol Resort, was so far and expensive, I guess. The night was beautiful. I started looking for a plan to explore while I had breakfast on the terrace with a wonderful view. Finally, I chose a small tour in the lake with a natural light show that was magical. Swimming under the lake in a blue light was a great experience.